Hi everyone, this is October 27th, Sunday morning, and just we don't know what time Melissa is coming, that storm, that great hurricane, but it's just cloudy, very cloudy, and here we are catching up water, and some folks battening down the windows, Oh, the breeze is blowing the door. We make sure to wrap up everything that we have that will get damaged. Soon I'm gonna take in these beautiful flowers inside. I don't want them to get damaged. They're so nice. I might have to leave that one, it's very heavy. This one, that one I'm gonna take inside, and here we are catching water. Full in the barrel, we have one full already. Full in a second one. Over there, we're looking at the beautiful trees. Just waiting to see what Melissa is gonna do with them. That's a pranganut and a mulberry. And see, button. Windows are button. This is a beautiful mango tree right here. Beautiful mango tree. Let me open the gates. Beautiful. Even mangoes are on it. Just waiting to see what Melissa will leave us with. So this is the before. In the front of my yard. Oh, the drum is... Whoa! The hose fell outside. Let me go get it and put it back. Let me go get it and put it right back. It's not full as yet. This is a Julie mango tree. I guess I have to hold the hose now. This is a Julie. Let me see if I can find one of the mangoes.